Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about title tags. Title tags inform users about page content. The importance of title tags is that it indicates the topic of your page. It makes a huge impact because it appears in search results, social shares, and browser tabs. And the best practice for title tags is to limit it to 60 characters and include your focus keyword at the beginning. And the reason why you want to do it in 60 characters or less is because Google will only show the first 60 characters, but also research has shown that shorter title tags perform better. And the reason why you want to make sure that you crush it at your title tags is because that's the first opportunity you have to make somebody click on your content. You want to drive that traffic so that way people will come and consume your content, and therefore they spend more time on the page, and then Google ends up ranking your page better. About keeping the keyword at the beginning, it doesn't necessarily mean to put it right at the front. Like if you were doing a New Orleans website design, you don't necessarily need to put that at the very beginning, but you need to make it more towards front. Like you could put your company name and then put New Orleans website design behind it, and that would be realistic. Or if you're a bakery, right, you want to put that you have fresh cupcakes on your cupcake page, right? So you could put that fresh cupcakes made daily, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the first word of what you're trying to present to people to make them want to click. You only have 60 characters to work with, so if it doesn't sound like it makes sense, then people aren't going to click it. So we'll go over here. You can see up here that New Orleans website design, that's what we're essentially looking at. So we're going to go over here and see, get past the ads. This is the local map pack. We're going to go past that. And here you can see New Orleans website design and graphic design, the company name, New Orleans web design, and then also, company name, and then expert web design. See, Google's algorithm is so more advanced than what it used to be. So you can add in different variations of the keyword that you're going for, and Google will still pick it up and rank you if your content is worth ranking. And so right here, we're going to go into New Orleans web and graphic design. And then you can see up here, this is the title. This is the title right here, New Orleans web and graphic design. You can see that up here, this is the H1 on the page. So the H1 and the title tag are completely different, but you can see that having exactly what we wanted in that first little part of it made us want to click on it, because this might be somebody that we want to use for our web design in the future. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how it comes up in social shares. So we're going to come over here to nolamediadesign.co. I'm going to come over here to my Facebook profile, and I'm going to copy. See how it comes up here as their social, their title. This is their title tag right here that they're sharing. And then, so essentially I could erase this and say, check out this awesome website design team in New Orleans. And then their link is still there. People could click on it. Their title is still there. And there you go. That's the easiest way for you to even be able to share your social media posts. You could put there, you could even change the preview so you could upload your own image or anything like that. And then you could share it to your social media profile. So yep, so you've seen how it shows up in search results. There's your title tag right there, title tag, and then click over here on Rhino Web Studios. And then you can see the title up here, Rhino Web Studios, New Orleans web design. That's how yours would appear on your website as well once you optimize your title tags. Okay, and that's it for title tags. You can see how a simple change can make a huge difference in the clickability on your website. And next up, we're going to be talking about meta descriptions to see how else you can optimize for those keywords to come up better in search results. I'll see you in the next video.